Did you know the audiobook industry is worth over $5 billion and still growing? And the best part? You can start selling audiobooks and make passive income, even if you don't have a book of your own. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can create, publish, and sell audiobooks step by step. And stick around because at the end, I'll share the biggest mistakes to avoid so you don't waste your time. Let's start with why audiobooks are such a great way to make money. The demand for audiobooks is skyrocketing because people love learning on the go, while driving, working out, or relaxing. Studies show that audiobook sales have grown by over 20% every year. But how do you take advantage of this booming market? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. There are three main ways you can make money with audiobooks. First, create your own audiobook. If you're a writer, turn your book into an audiobook. Second, sell public domain books. Did you know classic books like Think and Grow Rich are free to use? You can record and sell them as audiobooks. Third, narrate for others. Even if you don't have a book, you can get paid to narrate audiobooks for authors. Now, let's break down exactly how to create and sell your audiobook. If you have your own book, great, but if not, go to websites like Project Gutenberg or LibriVox to find public domain books you can legally sell. You don't need a fancy studio. Just get a good microphone like the Blue Yeti and use free software like Audacity or GarageBand to record your voice. Clean audio is key. Remove background noise, adjust volume, and make sure it sounds smooth. Once your audiobook is ready, you need to get it in front of customers. Here are the best platforms to sell on: ACX, Audible, Amazon, iTunes. The biggest marketplace for audiobooks. Findaway Voices, a great alternative to reach multiple stores worldwide. Google Play and Apple Books sell directly to millions of users. And here's the best part: once your audiobook is uploaded, you can earn royalties for years. Before you start, let's talk about the biggest mistakes beginners make. Bad audio quality. No one wants to listen to static or muffled sound. Invest in a decent microphone. Ignoring marketing. Just uploading an audiobook isn't enough. Use social media and ads to promote it. Overpricing. Make sure your pricing is competitive with similar audiobooks. Check out top-selling audiobooks in your niche and set your price accordingly. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to make money selling audiobooks. Want to start today? Drop a comment below. Which step are you on? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ways to make money online.